Text: Millions of birds are migrating across the US and Canada this spring. Most birds travel at night, using the stars and other celestial cues to navigate and to orient. But light pollution can confuse birds and lure them into the dangers of our cities and towns. Text: Andrew Farnsworth, Cornell Lab of Ornithology.
They face two problems related to light pollution. The first is a very direct one, where they're attracted and disoriented by light and may collide with structures. The other is that it brings them in close proximity to areas where they may experience these kinds of hazards the following day.
Text: Christine Shepard.
Glass is dangerous for birds. We understand that glass can be transparent, that it can act like a mirror. They see the world literally. So if they see the reflection of tree or sky, they're just as likely to fly to the reflection as they are to real sky or trees. So they ram into this glass at high speed and they are almost always injured. And many times they're killed.
Text: Glass collisions kill over 1 billion birds annually in the US alone. Dim lights at night. Treat glass by day. Logo: Bird Collision Prevention Alliance. Text: Produced by Cornell Lab of Ornithology.